I'm out here doing my thing. I look up in the sky. I don't know if you guys can see all those lights. I can't remember what that is. It's not a name. It's not the space station. This week on Small Town Detecting, we're going to show you a video of when we went down to Florida and did some shark's teeth hunting and some metal detecting down there. It was in the summertime this year. We went to Clearwater, Minnesota, Lake Boat. We went to several down through there. Siesta Key. We found several nice things. And while we was down there, something came flying over that I'd never seen before. Actually, two different things, and I caught them on video. Anyway, check out our video. By the way, KaDoHa is this next weekend, October 14th and 15th. If you guys get a chance, go down there to that. And Ozark Metal Detecting Club is having their event October 28th, I believe it is. Yes, October 28th. That'll be a good one too. If you get a chance, go down to that one. And then Show Me Pro-Am is April 5th through the 7th. Don't forget that one. Mark them down on your calendar. I tell you, I thought I'd get out here on the beach and there wouldn't be anybody, but the sun just went down and this beach is packed. So I'm going to start here at these volleyball nets. My hotel is right there. And so I'll go that way, then I'll work to the pier, I'll work back and forth. I'll let you guys know if I find any. The sun's going down here on Clearwater Beach. This place is still packed. I guess they're going to be out here for the night. Anyway, I just found a dime about where that is. I had another signal right next to it, and I think it's over here. Oh. Trying. I'm looking.
Hold up. Give it in.
Oh, it's still
Come
there.
on,
Kind of hard to do one-handed.
You can't get the ball from me, boy.
So I'm chasing it.
You can't get no ball from me, boy. I'm Ronaldo, son. You can't get the ball from me, boy. My middle name Ronaldo.
I'll come back. It is. There's a penny. So I found a dime and a penny right here. It took me a while to track that thing. So anyway, there's the dime. So I found 21 cents in this little coin spill. This is why you check your hole twice. I found 41 cents in that one and I thought it was done every time. Anyway, that's 41 cents. I think I got it all. Wrong. 51. I started to leave and I hit another one. 61. I think that's right, 61. There's another one. I may be losing track now. See if I can find this one. In the dark. Sucker was down there a long ways. He'd been here a while. That's a quarter. This little spill, I found 26 cents in. Pulled it out of there. And it was sounding kind of rough, but I guess it was because there was more than one. I just, anyway, 26 cents. And then my wife called right in the middle of it. Said she's gonna get some ice cream. Afraid I'm missing out on the ice cream. I'm out here doing my thing. I look up in the sky. I don't know if you guys can see all those lights. I can't remember what that is. It's not a name. It's not the space station. Anyway, there it goes. It's going pretty quick too. And there's a bunch of lights. It's the first time I've ever seen it. There it goes. If I get over here, you won't be able to see it because of the city. Well, it's about time to go home today. Let's see, I hit something right in here. I flipped it over. Where is it? I saw it. I lost it. cheer mom, world's best fan. All right, give that to my wife.
Mitchell has seemed to like he might be finding something, so let's walk up here and see. We're at Lido Key Beach today in Florida. What'd you find? You know yet?
I don't know. It's here somewhere.
A lot of wind, super hot. Kids are up there.
Oh, I got it.
Sailboat. Oh, what is it? Is it a penny?
It's a dime.
Oh, it's a dime. Great. That'd almost pay for the trip.
Let's take a look at what you found, sweetheart. Oh yeah, you got little sharks too.
Serrated a little bit on the side, see it? It's a little one.
Minnesota. We got a storm moving in, so I just didn't video this one when I should have. Anyway, let's see. It's right in there somewhere. Flipped it out of that little hole. See if I can just do it with my hand. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that was too easy. Anyway, that is a dime. Modern dime. This right here makes it easy. See if I can find it again. Okay, so I'm up here in a little cubby hole off of the beach. And yeah, people can kind of get away from everybody up here. This may take a little bit to find again. Okay, so I have the headphones on. You're not going to be able to hear it, I don't think. But right there it is, and that's a dime signal. So I'll come over here, get a scoop. Well, there it is. You can see it in there, but what I was going to do is I was going to pour it out over there on those bricks in case it was a real small piece of jewelry or something. But anyway, there it is, very obvious. Sure it's hard to be a live dig out here. We are at Casey Key. I have my headphones on. You can't hear that, but I'm going to say that is a penny. All I have found so far is a sinker. Let's see if I can scoop it up. Now I have a tendency of overlooking the phone, the camera. We're going to have a glare out here too. I'm going to pitch this thing out and I see it. I like coming down here and looking for shark's teeth and all that. Okay, so I moved it. It's over there. Says it's right in there. Slide my foot across. Still right in there. Usually, you can see the round ring of a coin. Yeah, so I look my pinpointer in the room. Yeah, moved it. What is that thing? No. 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 Come on. Come on. What do I do with it? Look. Says it's right there. No. Yes. Look at that sucker. How could I miss that? And that is a ocean-faring piece of lead right there. Alright, second hit of the day. 2 sinkers so far. What is that thing? It looks like it's on fire. she'll tell me what you see out here.